Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing glassmorphism effect. So if you also want to create this and want to know the complete process, then keep watching our video till the end. Because at the end, you are going to see some more examples just like this. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we selected an Instagram post blank page. Now we are moving to element section and now here we are going to search for purple blue background. So guys, as you can see here, we have so many results related to that. So we selected this particular video from here. And now we fit it in the page. After this, we are searching here for a message box. So as you can see, we have so many messages box available already. So we are going to select an appropriate one. So let's select this one and check. I think it is not looking that much good. So let's search for another one. So guys, I'm going to select this message box as it seems to be the one which I need. Now I changed this color to white and now we are increasing its size. Okay guys, now after doing this, we are going to decrease its transparency to 30. Also guys, while we are doing this, our video is flashing in your I button. So you can check out that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, now after this, we are going to select the circle shape and now we are going to decrease its transparency also. So decreasing it to 30 again. And now after this, we are going to decrease its size and going to put it at the right side of this shape. Okay guys, after aligning it properly, we are going to change its color. So we are changing it to black. Now adjusting it a bit more. Also guys, if you are liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post a new stuff. Okay guys, now after this we are searching here for cross. So we are simply going to select this first cross and then we are going to change its transparency to 30. Okay guys, so it's done now. After this, we change this cross color to white and now we are going to adjust it just above this previous circle. Okay guys, so now it's done. After this, we are moving to text section and now from here, we are going to add a text box as you can see in your screen. And now we are going to replace this text by writing processing. Okay guys, after writing this, we are going to apply some effects here. So we are using the shadow effect and now we are changing the shadow color to black. Now increasing its blur a little bit. So we increased it to 50 and now transparency also to 50. Okay, after this we are going to add one more element here. So now we are using this shape. And after selecting this shape, we are going to decrease its size to make it in the form of a line. Okay guys, just decreasing it a bit more. Okay. Now after this, we are going to duplicate this line and after duplicating it, we are going to cover the half part of this line from that duplicate line. So we are going to do that by increasing the size of the page. So as you can see here guys, I'm just decreasing the size of that and now change the color of the previous line to white. So this is basically for showing that how much percent of the processing is done. So after this, we are decreasing the transparency of both the lines to 30. Okay, let's keep the transparency of this above line to 80. Okay guys, so now it's done. After this, we grouped these two shapes together and now we just adjusted it a bit more. Okay, so now let's adjust the page size so that it will be visible properly. Okay, now we are going to adjust these three together and then we are going to adjust this processing a little bit. So that's why we are decreasing the size of this processing, and now we are going to write here one more thing, and that is 50%. So that means we completed our processing till 50%. Okay guys, now adjusting it in the page. Okay, just applying this middle and center option here to align it properly, and now I think it's done. After this, to make it more attractive, we are going to add this element from here. The name is flashing in your screens guys, so you can easily find it out. So we are simply going to select it and going to spread it all over across this processing 50 text and around the shape also, as you can see here guys. We are just doing it to make it more attractive and beautiful so that it will create that shiny light effect. Okay, so just deleting this one and now adding this one in the place of that. Okay, now fixing it here, sending it to back, and now going to apply some more circles here. So we're simply changing the color of the circle to white and now decreasing its transparency. So we are decreasing it to 30. Okay, now after this we are going to adjust it in the lower side of the page. So we're changing the color of this. So we selected this dark violet color and now we are just duplicating the circle and now placing its minimized version in the lower side only. Okay, just trying out different colors so to find which color looks more good. So we stick to this light bluish color previously and now to this dark blue color. Okay guys, now after this, fixing some more circles here, as you can see. Also guys, while I'm doing this, if you want to know about more such cool and creative ideas, then you can check out our Canva playlist. The link is in the description box. Okay guys, so now after this, we are going to adjust this cross icon a little bit. So just adjusting it by decreasing its size. And now to this, we are going to change the color of this cross to something else. Let's see which fits best. So I think, no, not this one. Let's find out something else. Okay, let's increase the transparency of this red color. Okay, so I think this looks good. So it's done guys, and now here we have our final post. So what do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section. Also, we have some more examples for you like these ones. Some more are there, guys. And now this is the last one. So guys, what do you think about all these? Let us know in the comment section. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.